All right. Weighing in at 102 pounds. He smells all the time. He might not smell great. It's the Sniffler.
He's got tape on his butt.
Get a little dance. Show, do your Sniffler dance. Come on.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Wow. That's the Sniffler dance, everybody. Come on.
Wow.
Yeah, can I get
All right. Next up, weighing in at 326 pounds. He's holy. He's great. He does everything in the name of the Lord, and he loves this country. Give it up for the Vatican!
This is what it's about.
Yeah. Wonderful. All right, get in your corner, Vatican. Get That's this one, Sniffler. Shit, know your corners, man. There's four, right?
My glass of water.
There's four. All right. You fighters know the rules, but I'll explain it anyway.
There will be 3 rounds. No, there'll be 2 rounds. And unless we have to go to a third one. And each round is 40 seconds. All right? And the third round will be like 30.
All right. No headshots. Play it fair, play it clean, play it safe, but kill each other, of course. Kill! Sorry. Where was I? All right. Let's let the fighting begin. In.
Timer, bro.
Timer?
Have a good bout.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, strong start from Vatican.
Good start.
Alright, yeah.
Stay in your feet. Oh, that's religious.
Use your nose.
Hug him.
Yeah.
If he wins, does he hate Jesus?
Yeah. Work some jabs. Get some combos going. Oh, look the face.
His crosses are loose. Blood's hanging out. You're knocking the cross off him. Oh my Lord.
You're beating the Christ out of him.
You're knocking his nips off.
Oh. Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Stop.
Break it up.
He just took communion. Hey. Can someone get his censorship back on?
You have a water? Get this man water. Red cooler, behind you.
Wait.
This man is smelly. Here's some wild stuff.
Hey, you! They got water right there.
Get somebody on your lap.
The Sex Panther is helping out a fellow fighter.
Oh, like get you on my back. And then you want to be General?
We've got a real nice crowd of people
I don't
today.
want 4 limbs.
We've got some fighters coming up.
Wayne and David
gotta-
not coming.
Well, David is watching the live right now, so you can ask him.
Oh, what's up, David? David, what happened?
say
I
to
was
David,
looking forward.
no,
I was
get in the
looking forward to your fight.
Say it again.
David, I was looking forward to your fight. I'm so sad.
so sad.
I'm so saddened
Aw.
by the fact that you're not here.
Oh. Waiting on the next round. We do not know the results of this first
I
round.
should
However,
be in the Smeller's corner right now, man. As we did play a little.
we have some discussion from the
That
founders
was
over
dirty.
here.
The Vatican not pulling any
We got
punches.
some.
All right. First round goes to the Vatican. Wonderful job.
Bro.
Woo. All right. Are my fighters ready to commence?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
I'm about to sniff you, bro.
All right, Vatican. Your nipple's falling off, man. All right.
Did you bring the kill back yet?
Timer ready. Let round 2 begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah.
Hit him.
Come on, Sniffler.
I know.
Way to keep the distance. Way to keep the distance.
Off his ass.
Yeah. Sniff it. Yeah.
You stink.
Show
Oh shit.
I'm gonna puke.
What?
That's nasty.
Lord.
Puke stinks.
Yeah.
Don't let him smell.
Yeah.
Let's talk
Get
before
him.
fighting.
Get him,
Fuck him
Sniffler.
up.
He's on the fence.
Oh.
There's no fence. It's a pit.
He's on the pit.
Don't let him puke. He's gonna have to smell it.
Watch the net.
3, 2,
Yeah.
1. Stop.
Give him the stinker pinky.
Your corner.
very regulation round.
How many viewers
All right,
we got,
guys.
Nolan? How many viewers
We got 6 viewers right now. All right, boys. Who do we think?
That aren't here at the pit.
It's true. What do you have to say to them?
What do I have to say to them?
See that? Damning evidence. Keep panning over to that guy. Where is he at?
Oh my God.
Kill guy is a communist. See that guy? Wow. Yeah, brags about him. USA.
All right, introducing our referee, guys. The Sex Panther.
Wow.
Will be joining us later.
Just Carter right now.
What's with that shirt?
What?
Never mind.
Hey, we'll talk after.
Lot of good shirts today. I like it.
We have a tiebreaker third round going.
All right. What do you think, ref?
We have decided to go to a third tiebreaker round. Too close to call. Here we go, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Do you have your water? Drink anything?
He's long, man. I gotta get in.
We got some coaching.
You're right. Thank you, Macho Master.
Someone who's fighting in the later round.
On live viewers.
We've got 6 viewers at the moment,
Wow.
including Rory Mortar.
Wow.
He could have been here.
You know, that's as many matches as we have today. That's a viewer for each match. Well, thank you, viewers, for joining us. Thanks to those viewing at home, viewing later maybe. Hi, Jeff. I know you'll be there. And hi, Rory. Hi, who else is there?
I don't know. We have 3 now. You lost us some. It's okay. Oh, wow. We're waiting on a third one. We've got some coaching going on. Oh. All right, Luca. Who do you think's going to take this round?
I don't know. It's hard to say because the Vatican definitely won the first round.
He dominated. Yes.
Dominated.
This
But
is
then,
true.
the Sniffler.
Oh, we have the third coming up. We're going to find out.
It's hard to say. We'll find out soon.
All right, kill guy. You want to count it off?
Playing on your side this time, boy.
All right, well, we don't care if you're ready because we're going to go into the third round. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh wow!
Whoa.
Wow!
Oh!
How long is this round? 30 seconds.
Vatican showing him the unholiness of having a huge nose and smelling a lot.
Wow. 3, 2, 1, stop.
Break it up. All right. Good fight,
All right.
gentlemen.
Got my neck.
Oh, sorry.
We got some deliberation. Who do you think is going to, Prince?
I have no idea.
Oh,
I literally don't know.
it's hard to say.
We'll
We
see
have
what
some.
the Sex Panther decides.
We'll see what happens. Sniffler's panting real
We
heavy.
smell victory or loss? The fragrances are coming into my body. What does it smell? I wonder.
Give me a thumbs up, whatever you get, Brandon.
It's actually been. But like everyone I've talked to about King Badge.
Does this work? No, it doesn't.
Just pretend it does.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 hard contests, it was a very close bout. I can't use this because I got to hold the hands up. It was a very close bout between 2 hard-fought men. Pick up. What? And I am happy. And I'm happy to declare the winner and still undefeated. Whoa! Give me some whips. Yeah. Sniff up the victory.
He's a super athlete.
The Vatican. He's definitely not Notre Dame because he ain't on fire.
Wow! Fighting words.
Let's see a big warm, sweaty hug.
Stay tuned for our next fight. Put on some rap music in the meantime.
Great fight.
Mr. Sniffler, any last comments after this?
That round gave me some fragrances I've never smelled before. I liked it.
Thank you.
Did you take my glove?
Vatican. Any post-loss reflections?
He just smelled so bad I couldn't breathe.
It's all right. You got it next time, champ.
Need a new rule. You must shower before the pit.
Kicked out. Thank you. Wow. Kill guy. Who will be fighting next?
I'm not too sure.